guys, come on, let's go. We have right of way. What note is that? Slow down for him. Okay, Garmin. Save room, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why not giving room to others?
Oh.
See what I mean? You're not giving room to the lorry. You have room on your left side. Ooh, look at that accent. Okay. Carry on. More gas, carry on. Check your left rear. Yeah, that.
It's because I didn't look left.
Crash down. But you saw them. But you saw them. That's what I'm talking about. You saw them though. Does that make sense there?
Yeah.
You saw them though. Slow, yeah, just be slow, yeah, just be slow for them. Find your bite.
Because Ronaldo was scoring a few goals. I don't take your point about he scored goals against lesser sides. Loads of top quality players have scored goals at lesser sides, and there's
comfortably on your drive. The Skoda Autumn event ends 30th of November, so don't get too comfy. Visit skoda.co.uk. Excludes Enyaq and SE Tech, ordered by 30th November 23.
What's the alternative? Because there has to be, is there going to be a consequence for failure? Because if that consequence is some sort of response or sanction or reaction, then you are just splitting hairs between a target and...
Helped by the NHS's Victorian approach to mental health. I suffer with extremely dark thoughts, and the NHS has provided exactly zero care over the years. In fact, have actively made things worse. It's an absolute shambles. So
we'll keep an eye on all of these seats left to confirm in the Formula One paddock, because there could be some surprises.
Take the second right to stay on Worcester Road, then your destination will be on the left.
Championship